Dear students, today we are going to discuss factors affecting friction. What are the different factors on which force of friction depends? We are going to discuss this very thing. In last video, we studied force of friction between the two surfaces in contact depends on the extent of roughness or smoothness. Means force of friction depends on roughness of the surfaces. When surfaces will be more rough, when surfaces will be rougher, force of friction will be also more. It means that we can say force of friction depends on force of friction between the two surfaces in contact depends on extent of the roughness of the surfaces. More roughness, more friction; less roughness, less friction. It means that we can say force of friction between two surfaces in contact depends on the nature of the surfaces. Means depends on nature of the contact bodies, nature of surfaces of contact bodies. Second thing, it also depends on one more factor. It also depends on weight of the object. When weight of the body will be more, then more amount of force will be required to पुल करने में ज़्यादा फोर्स लग रहा है. इट मीन दैट मोशन में लाने में ज़्यादा फोर्स लग रहा है और मोशन को अपोज करता है फ्रिक्शन. इट मीन दैट फ्रिक्शन इज एक्टिंग मोर. It means that when weight of the object will be more, force of friction will be also more. जितना ज़्यादा वेट होगा उतना ही जोर से एक दूसरे को प्रेस करेगा दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट्स वाई वी यूज टू से, वी कैन से force of friction between the two surfaces in contact depends on nature of the two surfaces in contact. And second, force means weight pressing the two surfaces together. You can say second point as weight of the object. When weight of the object will be more, force of friction will be more. You can say in place of weight, when weight will be more, then they will press each other by more force. So we can say it depends on force pressing the two surfaces together. It means that force of friction depends on two factors: nature of the contact surfaces and weight of the object, or force pressing the two surfaces together.